Hi, Mr. Partridge. This is Julie. I know you've been having some trouble, so I'm going to try to help you as best I can. So, the very first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get onto a blank Google page. From here, you're going to click on this. This is your waffle. When you click on it, you're going to scroll down until you see the classroom. Click on the classroom. And these are just my Google classes I have set up. And you also have some set up because you and I did them that day that I came into classroom. So here's your health, mod 8. You have 34 students in there. So, and you already created lots of new assignments, which is great. Here in the classwork, you've got it going on. You have it. People, these are all the people, me, you, and all these people here are within your classroom. So like Joshua Harper has been invited, he just hasn't opened it yet to get it. So all these other people are in your class. And some people have accepted, most people have, so that's great. And then in here are the grades. You do not have to worry about this page at all. That's just if you want to put grades in, you can. You don't have to. This is the most important sheet here because this is how you assign it. What I need to do is work on getting your PE class set up, and I'll share you that classroom. The only thing is I cannot open your PE roster. All your health mods are set up and they are good. Let me know if you need any help. Everything else is good to go. Have a great day.